first startup on this carrier. 5200 BTU. Pulled both of these on a bando. They're literally falling through the floor. The newest date I can see, for some reason someone writ, is 2001. I guess they probably got taken apart and cleaned. But first we're gonna start with this one. They both have big old recips in them. I forgot, I don't know the model of this, so I don't think the grill tells me. Nah. So let's see, here's that fan. Fan stuck. Need some oil. Okay. Well, let's try it cool. Hell yeah. Probably ain't ran 25 something years. And it's cold. Fan needs help. Oh, there's. She's trying. Thermal kicked in. Let me go find a Phillips head.
Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. What, you get a call?
Yeah, you gotta go down to Asbury nursing home.
Alright. Okay. Slide this thing out of its case. I don't think it's ever been out. Yeah, maybe. The screws are all kind of like not fully in. I think it's slide out chassis. Yeah. Should be. Most of these carriers were. I don't even know what this is. I think it's a Siesta. Ain't a Cosmopolitan, I know that. I guess should. Oh, maybe you're not slide out chassis. Alright, technical difficulties. Hang on. Dang it, didn't want to take all these screws out. Here's the carrier of a slide out chassis. This one. I guess these smaller ones aren't. video is longer than I thought. I didn't want it to be as long. That's why I uploaded it to YouTube. Haven't posted in years. But now I'm getting back into collecting units. I think I can make some posts again. Wow, this is very clean inside for being in a bando. This thing has very low hours. Like, very low. Whatever that is. Pull these caps up. Oh, where'd that one go? There it is. Be right back again. I get the WD-40. I thought I left it out here. Yeah. I'm not her mom. I'm at her dad.
You met her dad?
Yeah. Good. Hang on. I'm making a video. I'm making a video. Hang on. I'm making a video. Hang on. I know I shouldn't use WD, but it's all I got. She's trying. Let's go back for cool. Comes the AE. Thing runs the high spider guy. Come on, man. Trying. That thing's cold, man. Like, very cold. Be nice if they get going. Sorry for a rude awakening, unit. It's only been probably 30 years. But that thing, man, it's already sweating. She's ice cold, man. This is sweating. That's nice and hot. Be a hell of a lot better if the fan would get going. Come on, man. I wish I had extra oil. But man, this thing's sweating. She is freezing. Oh, there it goes. It's finally kicking off. Kick it to high. There she goes. I should have had my temp gun. There it goes. Oh my god, that thing is cold. She is sweating. This thing, I can't get over how clean inside. This thing hardly seen any use. It's gonna be an easy cleanup.